Welcome back. Today we'll be talking about creating table and conditional formatting. This Excel sheet now is a raw data set that has not been cleaned. To make it look neat, we give it space and now we'll highlight the headers so that we can increase the font size. That will make sense. You go to your font tab and select. From there now, we create a table, go to insert and from there select table. Please make sure you select it has header so that your header will be shown. Having a table makes our work neat, our data set look brighter, and it gives us option of filtering and even sorting the data. Checking the filter button, you can select any of the filter and select whichever one you want, which component, so that it will highlight just that. And voila, now you've seen it. For the segment we choose just consumer. Going forward, you can check for removing duplicate. If there are any duplicate values, this is part of cleaning of your data set to make it better. And here it shows that there are no duplicate values. Another thing we can do is adding extra row, and our format will automatically be updated. Look at this table example here. You create a new, or by copying the former one you have and edit it so that it will look different now. After editing, we see that the last row included has carried the table format along. From here, I want to check customers from UK. So you go to highlight your row, go to conditional format and select highlight for cell rows. And you select which country you want it to show, which country you want to highlight, type it. From you now click on the color you want it to show. It will highlight the country we are looking for. Like here now, it highlighted United Kingdom as we see above. We want to see how we can sort our city. Sort from A to Z, which country is at the top that has letter A that start with A and which start from Z. So you click on city and click on that filter. You see the drop down. Now it's B, C, D in alphabetical order. You can also do Z to A sorting. We can use the filter button from the table now to filter our text and show, as you see here, which table you are looking for or which country that you want it to show, or how many customers for that country. Here we are looking for Leicester, and when we clicked on it, it just shows that we only have one Leicester customer. So from here we can see how to do conditional formatting and adding tables to make our work neater and gives us more clarity. Please do ask your question, like and comment. Thank you for watching.